everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today I'm going to be making a Snail Mucin and Ricewater body wash. Now this you can use for your daily bath when you're having a shower, and this is highly conditioning, nourishing, softening for your skin, which gives a natural glow to your body. So this comes in the lines of Korean skincare, and it's extremely good for any type of skin, sensitive skin, oily skin. Anyone can use this body wash. So we'll quickly go ahead and start the making. So now for the making of this body wash, here I have my blend of surfactants. You can take any surfactants of your choice, cocamidopropyl betaine. You can combine it with a little bit of decyl glucoside or cocoa glucoside and use it. Here I have my water phase. In this I have taken my rice water. That's why it's looking a little bit translucent, a little hazy, along with a good amount of glycerin. Glycerin helps to nourish, moisturize, condition your skin. And here I have my oil phase. In this I have taken all my skin loving ingredients. I have taken some almond oil. I have used an emulsifier to combine all our phases together. I have added some foam boosting agents, emollients. So these are the ingredients which I have in my oil phase. Now we'll quickly go ahead and heat our water and oil phase, and we'll make our body wash. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated both the phases here. And now I will add my water phase into this oil phase. And we will go ahead and give this a blend to combine. Okay, so I have combined both the phases here, and I have left the solution for around 10 minutes to settle. And this is how the solution looks right now. A nice, clear, transparent solution. Now in this we'll go ahead and we'll add our surfactant phase. The surfactants that we have measured out and kept here. And one tip for people who have never made skincare products before, who are making it for the first time: after adding your surfactant phase, you should never use the blender. That will create a lot of bubbles in your solution, and it will be very difficult for that to go off. So now I'm just going to leave this aside for all the surfactant to nicely mix in with my base, and then once this cools down completely, we'll go ahead and add our cool down phase ingredients. Okay, so I've kept the solution here for around 2 hours to completely blend in for all the three phases, the surfactant, water and the oil phase. And this is the solution that we have here. It's nicely thickened, and this will thicken even more by tomorrow, that is within 24 hours. It thickens even more. So now this is completely cooled, so we'll go ahead and add our cool down phase ingredients, starting with our Snail Mucin. Now this ingredient is our active ingredient, which will help to nourish, moisturize, soften, smoothen your skin, and at the same time it also has excellent anti-aging benefits. So this is all you get with the Snail Mucin that we've added. And I'll go ahead and add my preservative here, and we'll add our fragrance. We'll just go ahead and mix everything together nicely. And whenever you make any emulsified products, we always leave it for 24 hours before we use it, so that everything gets well combined. You get your actual viscosity, actual consistency of your product after 24 hours. And then you can go ahead and use this. So this is how our lovely body wash, rice water and Snail Mucin body wash looks like. Highly conditioning and nourishing for your skin. So friends, if you like what I share with you all, if you want me to share more such videos with you all, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.